tell you how to sell the asset. We are going to do third illustration. Have a look on that. On 1st April 2015, Ashoka Limited purchased machinery costing rupees 5 lakh plus IGST 12%. Here we will only write rupees 5 lakh, the cost of the asset. On 1st July 2018, after 3.5 years, machine was sold for rupees 2 lakh. Prepare machine account calculating depreciation at the rate 10% per annum on original cost method. Accounts are closed on 31st March every year. And depreciation is 10%. But if information is given according to that formula, means cost of assets, scrap value and estimated life, then you have to apply the formula for calculating the depreciation. But if in the question percentage is given, you will just calculate the percentage. The calculation of depreciation depends upon the information given in the question. So 2015, April 1. 2015, April 1, we have purchased a machine. So machine account debit to bank account. Here we will write to bank account rupees 5 lakh. Okay, bache. So this year will end on 2016 March 31. Then we will write by depreciation account. 10% of 5 lakh is 50,000. 10% of 5 lakh will be 50,000. And on the same day, we will calculate balance carried down. 5 lakh was the opening balance. We have to deduct 50,000 every year for depreciation. The closing balance will be 4 lakh 50,000. We have purchased an asset for rupees 5 lakh. And when we have used it for the whole year, 10% is reduced. The new value will become 450. 5 lakh minus 50,000, 450. Now, next year will start on the next day. That means 2016, April 1. To balance brought down. 4,50,000 will become your balance brought down now. This balance will transfer here. This balance you have to transfer here. Balance CD of 1 year will become the balance BD of next year. So this year we have not done anything. We have not purchased and not sold anything. So at the end of the year on 2017 March 31, we will write by depreciation account. Again 50,000 will be reduced. 450 minus 50, 4 lakh will be the balance carried down. We will write here by balance carried down. Total will be 4,50,000. Next year will start on 2017 April 1. To balance brought down. This 4 lakh will become balance brought down of next year. Okay, bache? Balance carried down of 1 year will become the balance brought down of next year. So what we have done now, till March we have not done anything. 2018 March 31. This year will end on 2018 March 31. We will charge depreciation again 50,000 rupees. And next we will write by balance carried down. 4 lakh minus 50,000, the balance carried down will be 350. Total you have to write in front of each other. Okay, bache, 3 years have gone. We have purchased on 2015 April 1 a machine costing rupees 5 lakh. We have used it till the end and 10% depreciation is given in the question. So 10% of 5 lakh will be 50,000. It will be deducted every year. 5 lakh minus 50, 450, 450 minus 50, 4 lakh, 4 lakh minus 50, 350. Now next year will start on 2018 April 1 with a balance brought down of this 3,50,000. Now what happened this year? What happened this year? We have sold this machine on 2018 July 1. We have not used this machine for the whole year. We have sold this machine on 2018 July 1. 2018 July 1, we will write here by bank account. Beta, when we are purchasing, we will write two bank account. Next time we will write balance BD and balance CD. When we are purchasing, we will write two bank account. But when we are selling, we will write by bank account. When we are selling, we will write by bank account and it will be sold for rupees 2 lakh. It will be sold for rupees 2 lakh. It is given in the question that on 2018 July 1, we have sold this asset for rupees 2 lakh. So, beta, for 3 months we have used this asset from April 1 to 1st July, April, May, and June. For 3 months we have used this asset. So, 50,000 is the depreciation for whole year. So, 3 months depreciation will be 12,500. So, depreciation is 12,500. So, at what profit or loss we have sold it? We have to calculate the loss because the value was 350. We have sold it for 2 lakh. 350 minus 2 lakh means 150. Out of 150 we have used 12,500. The remaining is your loss. How we have calculated? 350 minus these two figures, 2 lakh and 12,500. This is our actual loss. Balance brought down 3,50,000. By bank account 2 lakh and 2 lakh was given that we have sold this asset for 2 lakh on July 1. So we have used this asset till July 1, April, May and June, 3 months. If the total depreciation of the whole year is 50,000, then the depreciation for 3 months will be 12,500. So 350 minus these two figures, we will come to know the loss, and that is 1,37,500. So in this way, we will sell the asset, buy bank, buy depreciation and buy profit and loss. If we have sold more than 2 lakh and if there is any profit, we will write on the debit side that there is a profit. And if there is loss, loss will be written on credit side, profit will be written on debit side.